Yamaha has finally confirmed the rumors that have been swirling around for months and years. The YZF-R9 is coming soon. The new sport bike will replace the YZF-R6, which was discontinued as a road model in 2022, due to emissions regulations. The R9 will be based on the MT9 naked bike, featuring the same 890cc 3-cylinder engine that delivers 117.3 horsepower and 93 Nm of torque. The R9 will not be a mere fairing-clad version of the MT-09. Though, Yamaha has promised to give the R9 a sportier riding position, with a stiffer chassis. The bike also have a more aerodynamic bodywork, and a host of electronic aids, including ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, ABS, and a quickshifter. The R9 will also benefit from the fully adjustable suspension and Öhlins shock of the MT-09 SP variant, as well as the Delta Box aluminum frame that was introduced in the 2024 model year. The R9 is expected to make its debut in the market by the end of 2024, with a price tag that will be competitive with other middleweight sport bikes. Yamaha has also confirmed that the R9 will be eligible for the World Supersport Championship in 2025, replacing the R6 that has dominated the series for years. The R9 will face stiff competition from the likes of Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R and Ducati Supersport 950. The R9 is Yamaha's answer to the changing demands of sport bike enthusiasts, who are looking for more torque, more versatility, and more character from their machines. The R9 will offer a unique combination of performance, handling, and style, with a distinctive 3-cylinder soundtrack. The R9 will be the latest addition to Yamaha's R series, which includes the R1, R7, R3, and R125 models. The R9 is set to revive the sport bike segment, with its innovative design and exciting features. It will be a worthy successor to the legendary R6, and a new triple threat in the sport bike world.